I have a great Excel video. If you've never used Power Query and you're manually fixing data, Power Query is the way to go. I will tell you though, the one time I would manually fix it. Let's do a comparison right now. I'm Chris Menard. I'm a Microsoft MVP. The file that I'm using, you can download for free. I'm not going to ask you for your email or your name or anything. It'll be on my blog post. Let's dive in right now. Over in column A, the issue is I've got full names. And if you look at these, you can tell here Sarah Johnson has a bunch of spaces after her name. Same with Emily, there's spaces before. So that means we need to use the trim function to fix this if we're manually doing that. After using the trim function, we got to do a copy paste. And then we need to break out the full name between first name and last name because full name's okay, but I need to break those names out. So that is either flash fill or text before or text after. All the dates are all messed up in column D. And then I do have two rows that have duplicate values. Rows 7 and 15 and row 4 and row 16 are duplicates. I'm going to manually fix this. There are chapters or bookmarks down below in the video, so you can just go click there. If you say, just go show me Power Query, I know how to manually fix this. So here we go. Let's fix the extra spaces first. Let's just trim A2, autofill that down. The trim function removes all the extra spaces, and then we're going to copy and paste values. There we go. The spaces are fixed. We don't need this anymore. Delete that. So those two steps. Here's flash fill. Let's go ahead and put in both columns. Insert. I'm going to flash fill it. There we go. Last name. Make sure if you're flash filling, you type in it exactly the way it says. Right there. I've got something running in Excel where it is doing my formula completion. So it actually did my text before and it did text after. I'm going to let it go. This is still correct. This is technically better than the flash fill because flash fill is static and these functions will update if something changes. What else have I got to fix? Oh, these dates over here. This is going to be, I'm going to call it new date. Equal date value F2. Perfect. Highlight them. You're saying those don't look like dates. Just go make them whatever date format you want right there. So this works, again, just a lot of work. And if I come back and someone added records and I got those extra spaces, I got to go do trim, copy and paste again. If I did flash fill, I would have to put the flash fill in again, but I got text before and text after running. I haven't removed the duplicates yet, so that is simply data, remove duplicates, hit OK, 3 duplicates found. That sounds good. Perfect right here. Let's go use Power Query now on this. I'm going to go back to the way it was originally set up. Okay, now I'm going to run Power Query on this. So here we go. I've already created a table, but Power Query would make it a table for you. I'm going to go to the Data tab over here, get in Transform from Table Range. Let this run. Hopefully I can remember everything I need to do. I'm going to right click on the full name, and I usually like to trim the data first. So here's trim. Go ahead and do that. Over on the far left, it is keeping up with my steps. And if I clear one out, like I just trimmed the text, if I hit the X to clear it, because undo doesn't work here. And by the way, this change type, it has already converted the order date without me doing anything to month, day, and year for me. So I didn't even ask for that, and I've already got that one right. Let me go do trim again since I just removed it. Perfect. Now I need the first name and last name. Let's knock that one out. Couple different ways to approach this in Power Query. I have full name selected. I'm going to go to add column. I could either do a custom column to do this, but let's just try columns from example. And I want to go from selection. So make sure that column A is selected, or the first column. I'm going to type in SARAH, press enter, and that is why it's called columns from example. I'm going to hit OK, and it added that column. I'll change the name again in a second. And let's do it the exact same item. Select full name first, and from selection, those look correct. Hit OK. Perfect. Rename the columns. Not required, but I want to move these columns and put them next to. I'm just clicking, dragging, and dropping. I'm not doing anything else. There you go. Just moving them around. I didn't need to do that step. So here are all my steps over here still. I think I've got everything done that I need to. Oh, I need to remove the duplicates. I haven't removed duplicates yet. Remove duplicates in Power Queries on the Home tab. Remove rows. Remove duplicates. I've got right now 1 through 15. When I hit remove duplicates, there you go, 1 through 12. Last step, all my steps are over here. Home tab, where do you want to put this? Close and load. It's going to make a new worksheet. I have zoomed in on the worksheet. All the data is correct. Now, if you're saying, Chris, why is Power Query better? Because if this data gets changed, and I'm going to do this intentionally, putting in my name, come back over to my data. I'm just going to right click and hit refresh. Look at that. Everything happens in the background in Power Query. All the cleanup does. So everything is correct over here. Let's test the remove duplicates. Row 15 through 17, I just copied and pasted down below. So there they are. Still got the spacing issues. Come back over here. Got a total of 14 records. After I refresh, we still should have 14. And we do. So even though this data is correct, Power Query is automatically fixing everything for us right here. Now, I'm going to end by saying this. If I get an Excel file and I need to clean it and it's a one-time clean, probably never going to be asked to do it again, I'm definitely just going to probably manually do it. I could use Power Query though. Honestly, it was probably faster. But if you want to manually do it, you can, or if it's one or two. But after that, what if you get something daily or weekly? Just populate the data with the new data in Power Query or run your Power Query. It's going to save you a ton of time not having to manually do something, especially if you forget to do a step and then go and share that data in an executive summary or something. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please put any comments down below. Appreciate your time, and I appreciate your support for my channel. Have a wonderful day.